And this is what it's like camping in a teepee. This teepee is 53 feet in circumference, and although you can't really see it because it's not really illuminated up there, it's 18 feet tall. And I just go ahead and set up a bunk in here and be nice and comfy. You just have a single lantern, and it lights the whole teepee up inside and out pretty nice.
So this is the morning of first day of threshing bee. Just a little bit of fog out in the distance. In Toledo, Washington. Yeah, it was still pretty early in the morning. This is it's about the first time that I've ever cooked in here on this little burner. I don't know why, I've just not had the opportunity, maybe. But this is what I salvaged off of the side of a broken down barbecue grill. That works just fine. Now there we go. Breakfast ready to go. First meal cooked inside the trailer after all these years. Well, it rained last night. Started in the afternoon, late afternoon. It's Washington. It's about the end of August, so things are kind of cooling down from summer. The rain started probably about 3 o'clock. Everybody, the parking lot just kind of emptied. That's a parking lot right there. And it was all quiet last night. Usually there's a huge party that all the farmers put on up there, and big old drinking fest and blowing horns and whistles and everything else. It was kind of dead last night, which made for some pretty good sleeping since I didn't get good sleep the first night. I have to say though about the teepee, it didn't leak. We all were dry. There was some water that came down the poles, and it looks like I'm going to have it out in some weather, but I need to have that drip system. Line out
here's the thing, when you open your teepee to the public, you want to open the very bottom because that's where people kick it and tear it up. So you just open it up. It is amazing to camp or to sleep into one of these. It's just so much different than a tent. To sleep in an actual teepee, it's so cavernous above you. It's just amazing, absolutely amazing. I don't have the inner liner installed in this because, well, it's gonna rain and I just didn't want to have to clean up so much, but usually the inner liner would be in here up about 4.5 to 5 feet. It's about 6 feet in total height, and anything above that liner is the smoke line, but everything else channels like a regular chimney. So air comes in through that gap you can see down at the bottom and goes in between the outer shell of the teepee and the inner wall, funnels up through, and the smoke gets exhausted out